Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to revamp two items. The first one is this huge candlestick, and this is a metal candlestick I found at the Goodwill. It had this jute twine wrapped around and I didn't like it, so I removed it. But after I removed it, it was all nasty and gunky. So what cleaned it was the magic eraser under some water and soap. It worked. It was only $1.99, and I wanted to try the crackle effect on this candlestick. And I saw a girl on Instagram do it, the Faux Farmer, I believe her page is called. And all she used, it was Elmer's glue and chalk paint. And the first thing you do is you apply a thick layer of glue, and then you apply a generous layer of chalk paint. And immediately after you apply these two, you blow dry it. And I used the hottest setting on my blow dryer to do this, and it worked out immediately. You see it crackle before your eyes. I was really surprised on how easy it was to do. And you do it in small sections. You don't want to let the glue dry or the chalk paint dry, so that is why you're going to do it in small sections. So just make sure you apply a thick layer of glue, and then you cover the whole surface with the chalk paint. And I did I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did use the hottest setting in my blow dryer. I don't remember her specifying that, but I did, and it worked. This next project is a I'm sorry, the shaky camera. This next project is like a mirror, but it's plastic, and it's all dirty and stained, so I wanted to, of course, chalk paint. If you all are wondering why I use chalk paint, reason is that it dries really fast, and I don't like to wait around. After I chalk painted, it maybe dried up in about 20 minutes, and then I sanded it with about 150 grit sandpaper to make the surface smooth. If you leave the chalk paint without sanding, it could be a little rough, and it doesn't look so good. So you want to sand it down. I did do 2 layers on the mirror, and I just distressed the edges so it could look, you know, my style, aged. And that's it. And I wanted to mention that all of the items on this small bench are thrifted. All of those baskets are from the Goodwill that you will be seeing. And I got that small bench in Amazon, and of course I'm gonna paint it with chalk paint. Anyway, this was the end result. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.